My addiction started 21 years ago this month. I was only 7 years old. I had no idea the impact my decision would have on the rest of my life. In the beginning, it wasn't too bad. I would do it a few days after school or weekend here or there. As I got into high school, things took a turn for the worse. I was consumed by it. Things didn't change much in college, and now my addiction is at an all-time high. Like I said, it's been 21 years since that fateful decision. I was 7, and all I wanted for my birthday was a Snoopy fishing pole. That $12 piece of equipment has led to thousands of dollars down the drain and hundreds of hours lost on the water fishing. But it's all been worth it. Some people think I'm crazy. They can't understand why I would spend 16 hours fishing with very little food just to let all the fish go that I catch. I guess you have to have the bug pretty bad to get it. Luckily, I'm not alone. There's actually thousands of crazy people just like me all around the country. We even form little clubs that compete to see who can catch the most bass. If you're one of the really dedicated fishermen, you can even become a pro. That's when people actually pay you to go fishing. That's a dream I share with a lot of bass fishing addicts. And it's been 21 years since it started, and I don't imagine this addiction will ever go away. Sure, it takes a lot of time and money, but it also relieves stress, builds friendships, and it gives me a reason to float around on a beautiful lake all day. I'm just glad my parents gave in to that 7-year-old and got him a fishing pole.